Generating subtitles automatically is super useful for creating captions, word-by-word animations, and highlighted text. And thanks to this guy, we can now do it in the free version of DaVinci Resolve. Let's check out how to use it. So the first thing we need to do is download the tool that makes this work. So we'll go to MrAlexTech.com and then navigate to the free tab. And we're going to download MagicSubtitlesLite free. Now keep in mind this was designed for the free version specifically. If you want the studio version, you can go down to MagicSubtitles Pro free. But we're going to stick with MagicSubtitlesLite for now. And then you can just enter your email and then hit Get Now and you'll be emailed the download link. So once you've downloaded the file and unzip the zip, you can just go into the folders and find this DRFX file, and we'll just go ahead and double click it, and then Resolve will ask you if you want to install MagicSubtitlesLite. So we'll go ahead and install that, and then it'll add this Magic Toolkit under your effects, toolbox, titles. So we'll just go ahead and click Magic Toolkit, and it'll give us these two options, Create Subtitles and MagicSubtitlesLite. Now we can do the same thing on both of them, but for simplicity's sake, we'll just use the Create Subtitles here. I'll just go ahead and stretch this out for the duration of the clip. And the first thing that we need to do is download Vibe. And Vibe is really what's going to drive how this generates subtitles. So we'll go ahead and download for Windows, and I'll just go ahead and install. And then we don't need to create a desktop shortcut, but we do need to run Vibe real quick just to get one more prerequisite down. And we just need it to download the OpenAI model because it uses OpenAI's Whisper to generate the subtitles. And once that's finished, we can go ahead and exit out of Vibe and then close out of this window as well. And then we have our controls that we can select. We can select what language we want to use if we want to specify it. We can select which audio track we're basing the subtitles off of. And we can also change the characters per sub if we want to do one word at a time. Although generally it's best to do that after the subtitles have been generated. So we'll just keep it at 35 for now. And this transcribe context is interesting because this allows us to specify either words or particular phrases that the subtitle generator might not get correct. So we can just go ahead and paste in our description right here, and then we can just hit Create Subtitles. And what this will do is export an audio-only file for Vibe to transcribe, and then it'll import what it generates back into Resolve, which we see right here. So let's go ahead and just disable this Create Subtitles for now. And we can see we have a whole generated subtitle track. And we can export these subtitles for YouTube by right-clicking on the subtitle track and hit Export Subtitles. And then we can change our subtitle type to subtitle files without formatting, and then go ahead and save. Or if we wanted to add these to the actual video, we can bring in MagicSubtitlesLite. Once again, drag this all the way out through where our subtitles are. And then we can hit this subs button, and that'll import all of our subtitles into this Text Plus file for any animations or anything else that we want to add. If you want a deeper dive into word-by-word animations, text timing, and everything Magic Subtitles can do, definitely check out Mr. Alex Tech's videos. He covers all the features in great detail. And if you decide to pick up the paid version, you can use the affiliate link down below to help support this channel. I hope this tutorial was magical, and I'd love to hear how you use this tool. Thanks for watching.